Hi guys! So finally, trend staking is live. So turo ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makakapag-stake. Okay? And kung paano kayo makakapag-buy muna kung wala pa kayong mga trend token. Alright? So the purpose of this video para dun sa mga wala pang trend token and para makapag-buy kayo. No? So make sure you have enough balance dito sa inyong mga MetaMask wallet, pwede rin sa Trust Wallet or Token Packet, SafePal, any Web3 wallet. So, make sure meron kayong balance and make sure nasa Binance Smart Chain network kayo. Okay, so meron ako ditong 45 USDT, which is yan yung ibabay natin. Okay, punta lang tayo sa browser and then dito sa presale.trendtokenhub.com, ayan, magbabay tayo ng trend token. Since I have USDT, yun yung gagamitin natin na pang-buy. Okay? So, I have 45 USDT. Ayan. So, I will receive 45,000 trend token. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin, after natin i-type yung amount na gusto nating bilhin, i-click natin yung Connect Wallet. Okay? And then, select natin kung anong wallet yung gamit mo. So, I am using MetaMask. So, I will select MetaMask. Ayan. And then, i-click lang natin yung connect. Alright? So, there you go. Meron ng buy trend na button dito. Okay? So, i-click lang natin yung buy trend. Alright. So, click natin yung next. So, meron siyang fee na 0.00139 BNB. Okay? Click lang natin yung approve. And wait for the transaction to be completed. So, tayin lang natin guys. Alright, so transaction complete. And then, meron pa ditong lumabas na confirm. So, what's this? Baka na-late lang to. Actually, transaction completed na sabi niya. Alright, so yun. Congratulations. You will receive your tokens very soon. So, by the way guys, merong dalawang confirmation, no? Nakita natin kanina. So, kasi this is from the pre-sale. So, meron siyang smart contract for this. And that's why meron siyang dalawang beses na approval. Okay, but that's okay. Ayan, meron na tayong na-receive. Sabi niya, congratulations, you will receive your tokens very soon. Click lang natin yung okay. And let's go back to wallet. Ayan, so meron na tayong 45,352, which is pwede na natin i-stake. Okay? So, since live na ang ating trend staking, punta lang tayo dito sa browser ulit. And then dito, so click lang natin itong merong 2 na nakalagay. And then, click lang natin yung plus button. Alright, and then dito, i-type lang natin yung trendtokenhub.com. Alright, and there you go. So, ito na ang ating napakalupit na dashboard. So, here is our dashboard guys. Okay, and make sure na connected na ang ating wallet. Once na nakikita nyo na ang inyong mga wallet address, it means connected na kayo. Alright, so itong button dito guys, this is how you buy the trend token. Pero dito, pag nag-buy kayo guys, ang price na ni trend token here is 0.002. Alright? So, you can also buy here kung wala pa kayong trend token. But if not, pwede rin kayong mag-buy sa pre-sale. Okay? So, yon. And then, eto na. Okay, pwede na tayong mag-stake. Okay? So, yan. Meron tayong mga stake here. But, of course, mag-a-add tayo ng stake. Alright? So, since meron na tayong balance na trend token. And by the way, kailangan nyo din guys ng extra BNB for the gas fee. Okay? So, yan. Balik na tayo dito ulit sa browser. And then, browse down. Ayan. So, mamili lang tayo ng package. Meron tayong maximum which is for 5 days locked. Ayan. And then, the standard for 50 days locked. Which is mas malaki yung percentage nito guys. Ayan. May details. Ayan. So, actually, I can withdraw my earnings. Meron na akong 195 na reward dito. Pero, yeah. Pag naglagay ako dito, guys, eto nga pala, no, another way kung gusto nyong kumbaga parang compounding. So, ayan. Iti-try natin ngayon. Okay? So, dito, pakita ko lang muna, no, meron tayong another pool, which is the standard for 50 days. Mas mataas dito, guys, kasi ang percentage niya is 456% APY. Okay? So, nasa 1.5%, something like that, per day. Alright? Dito naman sa Elite, ayan, 730%, which is 2% per day. Okay? So, this is locked for 100 days. And it's up to you. Ito yung pinaka-highest percentage daily. Kung gusto nyo naman no, na mag-hold ng trend token, kasi that way, pwedeng tumaas yung value. So, while holding your tokens, at least nag-generate siya daily. So, for maximum of 100 days, mawi-withdraw na natin siya. Alright? Including the capital. And ito pala guys, no, tip ko sa inyo, kung gusto nyo na ma-withdraw agad yung inyong mga rewards. Kasi dito guys, no, sabay siya na mawi-withdraw. Nakalock siya for 100 days. Okay? So, kung gusto niyo siyang ma-withdraw, pwede kayong deposit like 100 trend token, ilagay nyo dito, no? Say for example, meron kayong running na stake dito sa Elite. So, pwede kayong magdagdag ng, say for example, 100 trend token lang. And that way, yung inyong na-earn na so far, instead na mawi-withdraw nyo siya after 100 days, automatically mawi-withdraw yon. Mapupunta yon sa inyong mga wallet. So, itatry natin yan dito. Okay, since meron na akong investment or stake sa maximum pool, okay, ayan, nakikita naman natin, I deposited 5,200. So, idadagdag ko ngayon dito yung aking stake, no, na i-stake ko ngayon yung bagong staking. So, I have 45,352. So, ito yung ilalagay natin, okay? So, click natin ngayon yung invest. So, guys, tandaan nyo, meron akong reward na unclaimed na 195. So, yan. Tignan natin. Okay. So, click natin yung invest and type na natin dito. 45,352. Ayan. So, ayan. Makikita din natin yung details nung total deposited. Ayan. Pati yung ibang accounts na pinang-testing natin dito. Okay? You need to check pala your balance kasi nandito naman siya na nakalagay. 45,352. Trend token. So, ayan, ilagay natin. And then, let's proceed na. Okay? Click on proceed. And, ayun. So, nag-ask to confirm. Click lang natin yung next. Ayan. So, meron tayong fee, gas fee, no? Na 0.00139 BNB. So, yan. Basta nasa ano lang yan. Nasa 16 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Click natin yung approve. Ayan. So, wait natin yung transaction to be completed. And, ayan. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, no, na another approval. Okay? So, click natin yan. And let's see. So, yun. Transaction completed. Okay. So, tingnan natin, guys, kung na-withdraw yung available balance or reward, no, na nandito kanina. So, kung mapapansin natin, guys, ayan, nag-zero yung reward. And my total deposited amount na so far is 50,000. Kasi meron akong deposit na dito, di ba? So ngayon, ito yung titignan natin. Yung 195 reward token kung saan siya napunta. Okay? Punta tayo ngayon sa ating wallet. And there you go. So yun, di ba? Inilagay ko lahat ng aking balance. So, ibig sabihin guys, pag nag-a-add tayo ng investment or ng staking, kahit magkano lang yan, kahit mga 110 token lang yan, kung gusto nyong ma-withdraw, no, yung available earnings nyo, ganun lang yung gagawin natin. Mag-add tayo. So, that's one good strategy kung gusto nating ma-withdraw, no? So, yun, pumasok yung ating reward nung nag-deposit tayo. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple guys. That's how you invest, no, dito kay trend staking. Alright, so that's it. And again, congratulations to everyone. And this is just the beginning. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.